Everyone, this is Sheshe coming on to share with you how I made these cards, this Happy Mail card and the Sending Love card. I had a subscriber who wanted to know, did I mask these cards? And the answer is no. I used this WAP stamp set and I used this image right here. It's the envelope with the heart. And for the Happy Mail, I used the Happy Mail stamp set. And I'll link those in the description box below if you're interested in making some cards. I said in my previous video, you can make them into Valentine's Day or whatever you like. It's just a easy technique. I cut them out with my Scan and Cut. As you can see, I will show you that I just stamped them out multiple times. It's really simple. I think it's easier to do it this way because when you're masking, sometimes you can screw up and stamp them wrong, or maybe your ink isn't right, especially if you don't have a stamping tool. I just use the acrylic block and I just put the stamp on there and stamped it out multiple times. And sometimes you just don't know how you want to plan out your images on the layer. So I used this archival ink, some markers to color out the hearts in the different colors. That was another thing. I used some stickles. I used Stardust, as you can see, and some glue to put it on there. I just glued them on. So it's really easy. Someone also asked how to mass produce them. I just cut out my layers in advance. It's an A2 size card, and you just cut them out in different colors. So I just have them ready to go. Not really sure how it would look with some colors that are like, you know, pattern paper, but you know, might look nice. But it's so much easier to just have it ready to go and make a mass production of this style card if you're sending out swap mail or Happy Mail to your friends. So I'll get started. I'll quit talking and I hope you enjoy. After you stamp out all the images and color them, it'll look like this. So now I'm going to run this through my brother's Scan and Cut and cut out all the images, and then we'll start working on the card, and you can see how you can get the results of non-masking the card, but it still looks like it was masked. Okay, for this card, I have about 15 of each color set aside, and I decided to go with Love is in the Details. It comes from the Happy Mail stamp set. So I have that mounted on an acrylic block. I'm just going to emboss this purple panel. So I'm just going to speed up the process. I'll let you see how everything plays out. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to emboss it in silver, and you'll just see how it plays out, and then I'll come back and then you'll see how the card looks. Just wanted to let that subscriber know how it was done, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so here's the finished card. I hope this helps the person who wanted to know how I was able to overlay all those envelopes on my cards, and you have some ideas on creating cards for your swap partners and Happy Mail cards when you're sending out packages, or Valentine's Day cards. Again, these are the stamps I used. I'll link them in the description box below. I also have like all these fun envelopes to gift to someone if I want, or make more cards. These are nice because, you know, I have them already colored and cut out. I can put them in a little baggie if I want. So just some ideas. So take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.